Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. Today, let us speak about water, which is called as Jivan, means life. Means we can't live without water. So, what is the importance of water? Importance all of us are knowing. Then, how we can save water? I am going to talk more about how to save water, because if we finish up the water, what our next generation may get, they should live, isn't it? They too need water. So we have to save water. Now you are knowing, even from our mythological books or literature, Ganga or any rivers for that matter, they have been given due respect, worshipped. We call it Jal. Water which we use in puja is called as Jal. And even Ganga Aarti and all, we are knowing it is worshipping Ganga. And why it is? As I told you, it is our life. You might have seen Ganga Aarti. In all the ghats you are knowing, with the lighted lamps, flowers and mantras, show us how Ganga is important. And moreover, we know that how Rishi Bhagirath brought the river Ganga down to the earth to wash away his ancestors' sin. That is why even today, people go to Kashi or any sacred places like Prayag and all, and they dip in water so that they can wash away all their sins. Recently we saw at Kumbh Mela how many crores of people came and had holy bath. This is the importance of water. Apart from that, day-to-day things I am not going to discuss, because all of us are knowing how we need day-to-day or for agriculture or how we get the rainfall. All this I am not going to discuss here. My important intention is how we should save water. Even in our house, we can save the water in different ways. Usually, many of us, we wash our dishes by hand. We don't have dishwashers and all. So, when rinsing them, don't let the water run. Fill one bucket of water and the other with rinse water, and the water with which you have rinsed, you can use it for your plants and all, because again the water will go in the land. Next, check your sprinkler system frequently and adjust sprinklers so that only your lawn is watered and not the house, sidewalk or street. Means take care that the water is not wasted. And you are knowing, when you are using your washing machine and all, see that run your washing machine only when it is full, and you could save at least 1,000 gallons a month, and install low volume toilets. And your shower, time your shower, don't keep on wasting it. Otherwise, you are knowing a lot of water will be wasted, especially when your children are using it. When you clean your fish tank again, use the water you have drained on your plants. So this waste water, you should use it for your plants. Check if you have a leak in the toilet tank. It is easy to fix and you can save more than 600 gallons a month. Don't use running water to throw food. Then, if you are having your taps and all are leaking, you are knowing, correct it in time. Get it repaired. Do one thing each day that will save water. Even if savings are small, every drop counts. When the kids want to cool off, use the sprinklers so that the children will enjoy, and use them in the lawn and all so that your plants will get water. Bathe your young children together so that water won't be wasted. If you are washing your car, wash it on the grass so that grass will get water. And you are knowing, support projects that use reclaimed wastewater for irrigation and other uses. Even our rainy water, we can collect it and use. And encourage your friends and neighbors to be a part of water conscious community. Select the proper size for cooking. Large pans require more cooking water than may be necessary. Turn off the tap when you don't need it. If you drop accidentally ice cubes and all, don't throw them in the sink. Throw them in your house plant, or you are having kitchen garden in that, under any plant, so that the plant will give the water. To save water and time, consider washing your face or brushing your teeth while in the shower. While staying in a hotel or even at home, consider reusing your towels. Use thin towels that dry easily. So we can, save water a lot. Only the thing is, when we will do this, when we understand that what is the importance of water, and suppose if we use all the water and if the water doesn't remain at all for the future generation, what will be their condition? Just think about your children, grandchildren and all. What will be their condition? Then it is a must. That is why water is called life. In Hindi, Marathi, or even in Sanskrit, they call it Jivan, means life. And you are knowing, for your agriculture, for your plants, for your, factories, everywhere water is needed. Without water, we can't survive at all. So it is our utmost necessity, I will tell, to save our water. See that even rainwater doesn't just flow and go on and on. No. Try to collect it so that you can use it later. So, if we do this, really it will be a great gift to our coming generation. Have a nice day.